Now what we're going to do is in the basically the most of the things are already added. So wheelchairs are there, portable stuffs are there, technicians are there. Okay. Hello guys, welcome to another grand interesting video on your Leansimcorp channel, and in this tutorial we are going to go more deeper and understand more about process flow and simulation tutorials related to healthcare. So it's not only related to healthcare basically, but you will be understanding that how flexibly you can create simulation model by using process flow. So mostly you're going to get a greater idea, insights and training on process flows which we would be using to create the scenarios in this system, okay, of Flexsim environment. So basically when we talk about this, okay, we are going to majorly learn about transportations and equipments and different objects into this tutorial series, okay, and it's going to be a great one. So stay tuned till end of this video. So in this task we will be building two different possible treatment tracks for patients, okay. These different treatment tracks will help us know how to use transport equipments, okay, which are special class of objects in Flexsim healthcare models, okay. And in this first track, a tech will get EKG machine, okay, from a storage area to monitor the patient, and in the second track the patient will be transported to the X-ray room for radiology and then transported back to the exam room using wheelchair, okay. So we will be building that, we will be testing that in this tutorial, okay. So let us start. So what we are going to do, so we are now going to add additional locations, equipments and staffs to this current layout, okay. So in this step we will be adding, okay, as I mentioned, transport objects from the model. Let us take in the wheelchairs, okay. We are going to take in the wheelchairs. So let us go to the transport and bring in two wheelchairs, okay. So here are our two wheelchairs, okay. We have placed it at the extreme end of our wall, okay. Then we also need to add some additional staff members, okay. We also need to add some additional staff members. Probably that would be the technicians, okay. That would be the technicians and the tech persons are here, okay. So we are adding here two technicians, okay. So if I just look at so we don't see anything because it's a presentation mode. In the working mode we will be able to see the names. So we have wheelchair 1, we have wheelchair 2, we have tech 1 and we have tech 2, okay. Now what we will also need is we will need portable EKG, okay. So let us look in the equipment where that portable EKG is, and here it is, and let us place it here, okay. Here is our portable EKG into the layout, okay. So we have wheelchairs, technicians and the portable EKG. Now what we are going to do, we are going to make sure that the 3D model is open and active, which we are using with the Flexsim healthcare environment, okay. Now in the library under healthcare, okay, in the library under healthcare we are now going to add an X-ray machine, okay, and that is basically in the location, okay. So when I just open the location, you see here X-ray, we put the X-ray out in there, okay, and here comes an X-ray machine which is being placed out in here. So we have X-ray, we have portable EKG, right, and now we are having that stuff out in there. So now the thing is, the X-ray machine is probably in the other, so let us rotate this, okay, so it looks somewhat better from the layout point of view, and here it is our X-ray machine within the rotated angle, okay. Now what we are going to do is in the basically the most of the things are already added. So wheelchairs are there, portable stuffs are there, technicians are there, okay. Now, see the object placements, and adding the objects from the healthcare into the Flexsim environment is completed. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we are going to create additional object groups. Okay. For premium content, do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com, where you will be getting all these premium contents available. So talking about what things you're going to get in, you're going to get in, simulation solutions. You're going to get premium training classes for simulation stuffs. You will be getting 3ds model file support. You can buy modules. You get access to simulation case studies. You can visit our services. Also, you can visit the blogs which you're going to get. So I was talking about simulation solutions, right? You can schedule one-on-one session with us, for training and details. You can access our digital assets like learning center. Okay, so here comes the booking online appointment. Talking about training classes, you can access premium training classes. Once you are going to purchase our subscriptions, you will be able to access our training classes which are listed out here, and these are continuously getting upgraded, guys. Talking about blogs, here we bring in blogs from travel experiences, health, devotionals like industrial engineering, personality development, simulation tech, and lot more interesting and exciting. So do not forget to visit our website leansimcorp.com for